Welcome to Anaga Rural Park. I will take you to this wonderful mountain on the island of Tenerife. At the beginning, I would like to ask you to follow my channel and to like this video. It's 2 clicks for you, but it really means a lot to me. I visit several beautiful viewpoints. The view extends to the villages at the foot of the mountain, and the hidden in the clouds is the highest peak of Spain, El Teide volcano, which I will show in the next video. Welcome to the wonderful forest of Anaga. Walking along these paths is a real pleasure for all nature lovers. The trails are well marked.
2, 3.
I'm going up on the trail number 3 and I'll be going down on the trail number 2. This forest is wonderful, and here is someone's shelter. I reached the first viewpoint very quickly. The view is fantastic, and this oldest part of the island was created by volcanic eruptions some 7 to 9 million years ago. This mountainous region of rugged peaks and deep valleys was declared a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 2015. Anaga earned its UNESCO status because it has the largest laurel forest on the island, as well as many other endemic plants. Tourists from all over the world visit this destination, which reminds me of the legendary book and movie The Lord of the Rings. At any moment I expect Frodo, Gandalf, or an orc to pop out from behind a tree. Then I was surprised by one inhabitant of the forest. I saw a bird moving.
И да се тичи кое си мрда. Еве птица. Где си птици? Где си?
Any attempt to get close to the bird was doomed.
Къде е велики статуи?
Right next to the parking, another viewpoint with a view of El Teide volcano, which is hidden in the clouds. I return back to the magical forest. I go back to the starting point on track number 2, and then I will go to the top to see some more attractions. Anaga Rural Park is a nature reserve in the northeastern part of the Canary island Tenerife. Unusual tree roots and spider webs create an atmosphere as I were in a horror movie. The canal you see on the trail was once used for irrigation. I climb up to the famous attraction, Túnel de las Hadas, or in English, Fairy Tunnel. This unusual wall is actually a rock covered with moss. The roof of the tunnel was formed by trees which joined and intertwined. This is a unique sight. I don't know if something like this exists anywhere else in the world. Not far from here there is another viewpoint, Pico de les Ingles, or the English Peak. The view from here is fantastic, and the point in the rock that rises from the Atlantic Ocean is especially beautiful. Anaga is a mountain of sharp peaks and deep valleys, dotted with charming small villages. All of this is less than 1 hour drive from the island's capital, Santa Cruz de Tenerife. I spent 1 day in this beautiful nature park and saw only a part of what there is to see. A detailed tour requires at least a week. In my next video, the highest peak of Spain, the incredible volcano El Teide. If you want to support me, please follow my YouTube channel.